Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to use AI generative color in Adobe Illustrator. So since we use the paintbrush, we want to highlight all of the strokes and group them together. And once that's grouped together, we are going to go up to Object and then go down to this generative color. So as you can see here, we already have something in the prompt, but you can put in whatever you want AI to focus on or add to the picture, what kind of colors you want. If you want it more vibrant, here we can do how much detail, how little detail, and then we can also pick the style. And we want to have no color specific so that it just generates it automatically for us. And then you go generate. Okay, so now we can see that this is what Illustrator has generated for us. So if we want to change it, we can highlight it again. And then we can go back to Object, go down to that color generator again, and then change our settings. So if we want to do a different effect, maybe make it a little less detailed. All right, now we can see that it is a little less detailed, and we have our three options to the left-hand side. So now if we want to have more variations, we can change the settings here. So style, reference, we can do the color, details, and we can also change the prompt, and then we just hit generate. All right, now we have three new variations, but we can also see the last three. And this way you can keep all of your variations. So here's the final variation that we chose. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.